a whole day off to do my favorite thing. Sit at home and look at some YouTube videos. Haha! Let me just check my email first. Bring up email pro... Oh no! Tomorrow is Mom's birthday! I forgot! A whole year's passed! There's so much I wanted to do before Mom's birthday! I better get started now! Ah! Push-ups, 2, 3, 4. No, I can't do it. I'm a failure as a son on my mom's own birthday. No. Wait. What's this? It's an email from my mom. Thinking of you on my birthday. I'm so lucky to have a bird-brained son like you. Oh, Mom! Happy birthday! Now let's watch some YouTube.
Tweet, 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 tweet. Brought to you by CanePrestonback.com. Subscribe!